Hello, live in the kitchen tonight. Uh, Friends, buddies, people around the world. Again, I am cooking Kunam Ayasid Pinoy classic adobo halang-halang with soup. My December 18 dinner here in the school. Okay, let's check the Konam Ayasib here. Wow, it's almost done cooking. Konam Ayasib Pinoy classic adobo halang-halang. Okay. Let's check again the Konam Ayasib I am cooking tonight here in the kitchen of Biso Elementary School. Wow, super yummy. It's done cooking. Konam Ayasib Pinoy classic adobo halang-halang. Thank you, Lord. Wow, super yummy. Konam Ayasib Pinoy classic adobo halang-halang. Thank you, Lord. Super yummy. Konam Ayasib Pinoy classic adobo halang-halang. Thank you, Lord, for the non-stop blessings.